Hello and welcome back to my channel. Our recipe for today is dinakdakan. This is an Ilocano delicacy made with boiled and grilled pork parts such as the pig cheeks, ears, and liver. The charred meats are chopped into small pieces and tossed in a tangy calamansi or lemon and vinegar dressing with minced ginger, red onions, and chili peppers, thickened with mayonnaise. Pour 8 cups of water in a cooking pot, let it boil, then add lemon, garlic, peppercorns, and salt. Add in the pig ears and cheeks. Set the heat to medium and continue to boil for 45 minutes or until the meat is fork tender. Strain and set aside. Now bring in the lean meat and the liver. Boil the liver for about 10 minutes, then take it out from the pot. Continue to boil the lean meat for about 30 minutes. Then drain and set aside. Let's move on to the next procedure, which is grilling. Heat up the grill. Grill the ears and the cheeks for about 10 minutes per side or until it turns a bit crisp but not burnt. Grill the liver for about 5 to 8 minutes, depending on the thickness of your cut. I am making 2 batches of grilling in here right now. If you notice, I am making for about 7 pounds of meat right now. That's why I'm making 2 batches. So first batch for grilling is the ears, cheeks, and liver, and the second batch is the lean meat. Meanwhile, while the pork is still in the griller, let's make the dressing. In a bowl, squeeze 2 pieces of lemon or calamansi. Add in 1 piece of chopped onions, 3 tablespoons of minced ginger, 4 pieces chopped red peppers, 1 tablespoon of chicken powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper, 3 tablespoons of soya sauce, and 5 tablespoons of spiced vinegar. If you do not have spiced vinegar, you can use the regular vinegar. But if you want to know how to make spiced vinegar, I have another video on how to make this. Stir and set aside. The meat should be ready now from the griller. Remove the grilled pig parts from the grill. Let it cool down. And start chopping into bite-sized pieces. In a bowl, combine the sliced grilled pig ears, cheeks, liver, and lean meat. Toss the dressing and mix it thoroughly. Finish with 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. The magic happens in this stage. Take time to mix all the ingredients together so that the meat will absorb all the ingredients. Transfer in a serving plate and enjoy. This recipe is usually being served with white rice. I hope you like and try this recipe. And if you try, please give me a comment down below and tell me how did it go. And if you're not yet a subscriber in my channel, please click the subscribe button below this video so that you will get notified whenever I upload new videos. Till next time, let's make cooking fun and enjoyable.